Beat up, bullied, and dunked on. Beat up, bullied, and dunked on. Bullied and dunked on. Yeah. Let's get it. We only rock with Mavericks. If you a clone, then step off the canvas. Lest you get beat up, bullied, and dunked on. We gon' leave you beat up, bullied, and dunked on. We said we only rock with Mavericks. If you a clone, then step off the canvas. Lest you get beat up, bullied, and dunked on. We gon' leave you beat up, bullied, and dunked on. Excellently. It was pressing to me. Descended from the parents, I inherited 3 passports.
So, I arrived in Rishikesh yesterday, starting the day with some Monchaw soup and aglio olio pasta. For some reason I always thought aglio olio was supposed to be with spaghetti, but I guess you learn something new every day. Or maybe it's just Rishikesh. Anyway, कल तो मेरी बहुत तबीयत ख़राब थी. I had left Delhi at 5 a.m. on barely any sleep. I mean, I may have gotten maybe an hour and a half of sleep. Then गाड़ी में थोड़ा बहुत सोते हुए आया. ऋषिकेश पहुंचा 11:30 बजे के आसपास. राफ्टिंग वाज एट 2 बट रिपोर्टिंग टाइम वाज 1. तो मैं सीधे राफ्टिंग के लिए चला गया. आई डिडंट गेट एनी फूड. टेरिबल आइडिया, राइट? So no sleep, no food, then extreme rafting. Like I was in the cold water for a couple of minutes. There was a lot of this involved. So I was totally spent by the end of it. और जब राफ्ट से हम लोग निकले ना, I stepped on the ground and I could like barely walk. I saw the lights go out. मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं फेंट हो ही जाऊँगा बस. Luckily वो नहीं हुआ, but बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैंने फिजिकल एक्सर्शन कर ली कल. तो उसके बाद straight I went to the hostel and went to sleep. Slept for like 2-3 hours. I missed the Ganga Aarti because of that. अभी एक कैफ़े में आके बैठा हूँ. It's called Harry Cafe. And the other places were open but they weren't serving food and I was famished. So I came here. यहाँ पे खाना खाने के बाद मैं जाऊँगा Beatles आश्रम. Beatles आश्रम के बाद there's paragliding on the agenda which I'm really excited about. ठीक है, डे 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. अभी तो मैं दिल्ली में हूँ. ऋषिकेश डेज 1 और 2 पे मेरी तबीयत काफ़ी ख़राब थी, सो आई डिडंट गेट मेनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स डन. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना ट्राई फिलिंग यू गाइज इन ऑन व्हाट आई गॉट अप टू इन ऋषिकेश. तो राफ्टिंग के लिए जब मैं पहुंचा तो शुरुआत के पहले 5-10 मिनट तो उन्होंने हमें सेफ्टी ब्रीफिंग दी कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली वी नीड टू बिहेव ऑन द राफ्ट. So what they told us was there's going to be 6 guests in total, 3 on either side, and then 2 instructors at the back. Now the guests' job is to just keep paddling when the instructor tells you to, and instructor पीछे से अपना they'll determine the direction of the boat. ये जो राफ्टिंग की रूट्स होती हैं उसमें ऐसा होता है कि most of the water is reasonably calm and there are a bunch of rapids on the way. Rapids are just turbulent waters. तो ऐसे 8 या 10 होते हैं पूरी रूट पे. When you enter these rapids, that's when you have to keep paddling and पीछे से वो डायरेक्शन अपनी सेट कर देगा इंस्ट्रक्टर. That was the basic protocol. इसके अलावा they made us play a game also, जैसे कि when we entered the least turbulent rapid, they were like just stand up and try to stay up, and it was just a funny one because everybody kept falling on each other. Harmless little game. बीच बीच में हमारे पास ये भी ऑप्शन था कि वी कुड जस्ट जंप इनटू द वाटर जस्ट फॉर फन. इट वाज टोटली ऑप्शनल. आई डिड दैट 2-3 times and maybe it wasn't a great idea because it was just like an ice bath. The water was extremely cold. So maybe not the best idea. उसके बाद when we got out of the water ना, all of us had to carry the raft to the shore. तो राफ्ट को ले जाते वक्त I felt so exhausted, like I was almost about to pass out. होते होते बचा हूँ बस. Like उसके बाद जब मैं राफ्ट को जब शोर पे ले गए, उसके बाद जब मैं जाके बैठा, I was doing this like I was trying to catch my breath क्योंकि बेहोश ही होने वाला था. I've never in my life come this close to passing out. Luckily it didn't happen. उसके बाद स्कूटी चला के मुझे वापस हॉस्टल जाना था, तो मैंने सोचा let me just get some food in. I ate a lot of carbs, बहुत सारे फ्राइज़ खाए मैंने, बर्गर खाया, just to keep my eyes open. Then went back to the hostel. I wanted to watch the Ganga Aarti in the evening but I just couldn't. हॉस्टल जाते ही तुरंत सो गया. ठीक है, डे 2 में आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद सम नाश्ता करने के बाद बीटल्स आश्रम गया. बीटल्स आश्रम ऑल्सो वॉज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स विच ChatGPT सजेस्टेड टू मी कि इफ यू आर विजिटिंग ऋषिकेश माइट एज वेल चेक दिस वन आउट. Beatles ashram was an ashram sometime in the 60s or 70s where the Beatles came and stayed for a few years, and that's about it. That's the extent of my knowledge about this ashram, and honestly not exactly my kind of vibe. I got very bored there. वो देखने के बाद मुझे निकलना था देहरादून साइड, लाइक नॉट एग्जैक्टली देहरादून में बट ऋषिकेश से देहरादून की डायरेक्शन में. there was this club which does paragliding for beginners. Like there's an instructor who sits behind you and just takes you on a paragliding ride. Paragliding वाले लोकेशन पे जब मैं पहुंचा, so first they made me sign a document which was कि I am liable for my own life. If I lose my life in this process, then this paragliding agency is not responsible. So I was like, okay, I signed that. Then we entered a car and drove up a mountain where the takeoff point was. So while paragliding, there was going to be a guy who was sitting behind me and controlling the whole like sail या जो भी बोलते हैं उस चीज़ को, the parachute. Take off point पे आ गया हूँ. यहाँ से ये this is the pilot. He will help me jump.
भैया अपना सामान सारा ना अपनी पॉकेट में डाल दीजिए.
हाँ जी.
जिप कर दो उसको.
हाँ जिप कर दिया.
ओके चलो 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 भाई चलो भाई चलो.
The whole journey up the mountain he was very chilled out, like he was very calm. ऐसे मस्त चिट चैट कर रहा था. जैसे ही हमने टेक ऑफ किया, he was on edge. Like I think he thought I will do something which will cost both of us our lives. तो बहुत ही डरा हुआ था वो. डरा क्या मतलब, I guess he was just being cautious, but his whole persona in the car ride up the mountain was different, and when he was actually doing the thing he was like quite on his toes. I asked him if he's seen that video जिसमें वो बंदा है ना, he's paragliding and he's saying मैं पागल हूँ जो उसमें आया और भाई लैंड करा दे. I asked him that to just get him to loosen up a little bit, but वो डरा ही हुआ था पूरे टाइम. Until the moment we landed, he was like freaking out. तो लैंड करने के बाद तो वापस वो he went back to his jovial self. फिर वापस वो we went to the office जहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझसे वो कागज़ साइन करवाए थे. I did my payment and then I left for Delhi. वहाँ से 5-6 घंटे लग गया दिल्ली पहुँचने में.